Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach for UKG students and the subject is environmental studies, and today we will begin with rainy season. Students, I know you all have experienced the rain, isn't it? It gives us a very soothing kind of feelings. So, do you know when the rain begins? When is the rainy season? It is at the month of July to mid September. Okay, it rains very heavily. Okay, and in most of the region, there due to heavy rainfall, there used to be floods and all. So, during rainy season, the weather is wet, it is moist, even with it we feel hot and we feel humid. Okay, the climate is hot and humid. Though it rains very heavily, still it is hot and humid. So, in this picture, you can see during rainy season, we see the water here and there. Of course, due to heavy rain, you see many waters, like it is flooded out in a piece of land, or in there used to be the drainage used to be full of water. Okay, then most of the fields, like crop fields where the farmer plows their agricultures, there you can see many water flooded. Okay, so here and there you can see many waters collected. Okay, so in this picture you can see thunderstorm. Okay, very heavy rainfall, a man with an umbrella. Of course you carry an umbrella when it rains very heavily. You wear raincoats, you wear gumboots, isn't it? So this is the scenario. See, there is a tea stall, a man is selling his tea, and generally during rainy season we feel like having hot cup of tea with some snacks. Okay, and some children, two children, they are playing with a paper boat. Okay, so some water is collected here and they are playing with that piece of paper, like they made a paper boat. You usually do with that, isn't it? So this is the scenario given in your book. And what happens during rainy season? It is mostly cloudy, it is stormy, and it rains very heavily. Okay, see, thunderstorm, then it rains very heavily, and the sky is full of clouds, black clouds, isn't it? So this is the thing which we get in rainy season. And in rainy season we like to take this food items, what we like to feel like, what we like to have in rainy season. We like to have hot soup, hot milk, then corn cobs. During rainy season you usually burn the corn, isn't it, and you have it. Then guavas, then gooseberry. Do you know what is gooseberry? It's amla. Okay, and carrots. All these food items you take during rainy season. Okay, and there is a small portion where you have to do activity. These are some things which we use during winter or during rainy season. Write W for winter and R for rainy season near each picture. See, raincoat, you have to, when do you use raincoat? During rainy season. You have to write here R because we use it in rainy season. Then sweaters. Do you use sweaters in rainy season? No, you don't use. So you have to write W because we usually wear sweaters during winters. Then gloves. When do you use gloves? During winter. So you have to write here W. Then gumboots. When do you use it? During rainy season. So you have to write here R. And umbrella, when do you use it? During rainy season. You have to write here R. And woolen cap, you use it during winter season. You have to write here W. This was all about rainy season. Thank you, students.